बचपन की आदत अभी तक नहीं गई।
बचपन की जो नैया थी, मैया ही खिवैया थी।
सुन,
माँ, आई एम बिजी, कैन आई कॉल यू बैक?
हमेशा बिजी रहती।
आज भी तो रात छुपा।
अरे लाइट गई।
हौले हौले वो गा रही लोरिया, सुन ला डोरे।
हाँ बेटा बोलो।
क्यों करती हो इतना माँ?
लाइट आई क्या?
नहीं आई।
तो खीर जरूर खराब हो गई होगी।
खराब? ये नया फ्रिज है माँ, इन्वर्टर पर भी चलता है। खीर बहुत टेस्टी बनी है माँ।
इन लम्हों में अब कभी रुकावट ना आए, इसलिए सैमसंग लाए है नया डिजिटल इन्वर्टर रेफ्रिजरेटर जो चले आपके घर के इन्वर्टर पर भी।
जैसे माँ मेरा ख्याल रखती है, अब तुम उनका रख।
सुन ला डोरे।
मेरा वोल्टास ऑल स्टार इन्वर्टर एसी का 2 स्टेज स्टडी कूल कंप्रेसर डबल बेनिफिट देता। स्टडी कूलिंग के साथ स्टडी सेविंग, मतलब फुल चैन की नींद।
India tends to have extreme weather and its climatic conditions vary from region to region. But thanks to the Hitachi tropical inverter technology, especially designed for Indian climate, your AC can now perform consistently and efficiently even in extreme temperatures while saving maximum power. The tropical inverter compressor adjusts the cooling as per your requirement by automatically controlling the compressor speed. It also automatically increases the cooling capacity to give fast cooling till the design temperature is reached and reduces tonnage thereafter to provide energy saving. Benefits of the tropical inverter technology. Conventional air conditioners fail to cool as the temperature rises to extremes. But the tropical inverter AC compressor uses its full capacity, giving you faster cooling all the time, no matter how hot it gets outside. Conventional air conditioner type compressor constantly turns on and off, resulting in waste of electricity. The tropical inverter ACs, however, vary their cooling capacity by adjusting the power supply frequency of their compressors to save maximum power. It also sets the AC temperature accurately and maintains it consistently, resulting in less fluctuation and more stability. The tropical inverter AC is unquestionably the best cooling solution for your home. Hitachi tropical inverter technology for unmatched super performance and consistent cooling comfort.
This is the Haier 8-in-1 bottom-mounted refrigerator. With its magnificent shiny steel finish, this is a piece of jewelry. In India, the refrigerator section is used about 90% of the times over the freezer section. Haier's BMR concept therefore eliminates the need to bend down by about 90%, which is a big deal. So when you hear Haier BMR, it's Jugna Mat. No wonder Haier BMR is India ka Seedha fridge. With its 8-in-1 convertible options, this is the most versatile refrigeration machine ever, which can be used in normal mode, vegetable mode, home alone mode, surprise party mode, turbo mode, summer mode, freezer mode, and vacation mode. Haier's unique twin inverter technology ensures that both the compressor and the fan work on DC inverter. That helps save energy, increase durability, and reduce noise. The freezer has the newest auto defrost technology, keeping it clean and hygienic. When your guests give you a surprise visit, you can surprise them with Haier's turbo icing technology that helps make ice cubes in just 49 minutes. Twin energy saving feature with optimized cooling gives you a 5-star performance with the option of saving 15% or even 30% energy at just the press of a button. Thanks to the refrigerator being on top, the compressor does not eat into the space, so you get separate vegetable and fruit boxes that are 2 times bigger. Haier 8-in-1 bottom-mounted refrigerator, the new superstar of Haier's iconic BMR range.
It's been 2 months यार, क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग?
Oh God.
Just chill. I'm here to look after you all, help them sleep better, to take care of my planet Earth, to give Suman status, and of course to save you some money.
You will stay with us now.
I'm everywhere, but I stay up.
Up and also up.
The new IFB Fast Cool ACs cool faster than anything you have experienced, and there are many reasons why. First, the 6-stage filtration process super cleans the air by removing dirt, microbes, and odors completely, because clean air cools faster. The clean air passes through a specially designed heat exchanger that uses the patented Titan Gold technology. Titan Gold makes the evaporator fin slippery so that no dust, soot, or moisture can stick. That means more air passes through it very quickly, cooling air faster. It also has aerodynamically designed long throw blowers for up to 30 feet air throw and 4-way swinging vents that allow air to smoothly flow through them, cooling every corner of the room faster. To maintain cooling efficiency, IFB uses only copper tubing, which conducts heat better and ensures high and fast
Oppo F7 25 megapixel AI powered selfie. Capture the real you. Oppo, selfie expert and leader